Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display list of all unique key in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then you see SQL, so click on it. So we are going to add SQL query. Now paste and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see select table name, constraint name, and then you see table schema, your database name. So you can add your database name here, and then you see add constraint type unique. So we are going to display all unique key from database in PhpMyAdmin. So we added our database name and then click on go. Now you see MySQL return an empty result because we don't have unique key in our database. If you have unique key in database, then we'll show here. Now you see table name, constraint name. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.